Before we multiply the given rational expressions, we want to simplify out the common factors between the numerators and denominators that would simplify to 1. And to do this, we first have to factor all of the numerators and denominators. It would be incorrect to try to simplify these 2x squareds here because they're connected by subtraction or addition. So the first step is always going to be to factor everything. So for 4x, since 4 is equal to 2 times 2, we're going to write 2 times 2 times x. And then to factor 2x minus 10, the greatest common factor between these two terms is 2. So we'll factor 2 out, leaving us with the quantity x minus 5. And now we'll try to factor this trinomial here into two binomial factors, where the first terms of the binomial factors would have to be x and x, the factors of x squared. And now we want to find the factors of negative 20 that have a sum or add to negative 1. Well, that would be negative 5 and positive 4. So one factor is x minus 5, and one factor is x plus 4. And then x squared minus 16 is a difference of squares. So we'll have two binomial factors. The first terms will be x and x, the factors of x squared. And then because we have a difference of squares, we'll use negative 4 and positive 4 for the two factors of negative 16. So we can have x plus 4 here and x minus 4 here. And now every time we find a common factor between a numerator and denominator, it will simplify to 1. So for example, here we have the quantity x plus 4 over the quantity x plus 4. That simplifies to 1. Here we have x minus 5 over x minus 5. And here we also have 2 over 2. So now we can multiply knowing our product will be in simplest form. In the numerator we have 2 times x, which is 2x. In the denominator we just have one factor of x minus 4. Because we only have one factor here, we could leave the parentheses off the x minus 4. But again, we cannot simplify the 2 and the 4 here because we cannot simplify across addition or subtraction. Let's go and take a look at our second example. Again, the first step is to factor all of the numerators and denominators. And we'll go ahead and assume these will factor into two binomial factors. So for the numerator, the factors of x squared would be x and x. We want the factors of negative 30 that add to positive 7. That's going to be a positive 10 and a negative 3, so plus 10 here and minus 3 here. And then for the denominator, we'll have x here and x here, the factors of x squared. We want the factors of positive 50 that add to 15, which would be positive 10 and positive 5, so we have plus 10 here and plus 5 here. And then for x squared minus 25, it's a difference of squares. So we'll have x plus 5 times x minus 5. X squared minus 9 is also a difference of squares. So we'll have x plus 3 and x minus 3. And now we'll simplify out all the common factors between the numerators and denominators. Notice here we have an x plus 10 over x plus 10. That simplifies to 1. Here we have an x minus 3 over x minus 3. That simplifies to 1. And notice we also have x plus 5 over x plus 5. The remaining factors would be our simplified product. Notice in the numerator we have a factor of x minus 5, and we have a denominator of x plus 3. Again, because we have one factor in the numerator and denominator, these parentheses are optional, but we could not simplify these x's here because we can't simplify across this addition or subtraction. Okay, we'll look at two more examples in the next video.